up, family? This message finds you all well in good spirits. Well, look what we have here. We have the most famous, fastest GT500 on the internet. That's right. That is Stang GT500. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube. Has brought his beautiful car here to The Rock, our private track rental in North Carolina. And that's right. We have the Hulk here. It's auto-tuned, and it's already gone in the high 9s. So check out his channel for all his passes and whatnot. It's on E85. It's tuned by Palm Beach. And this is Ford. This is just Ford stock car. I do have the same tire he does. Full interior. This car has full interior as well. We're gonna have some fun. I don't think anybody has seen yet a stock, just to show you how much capability. These are very minimal mods. We talked about it before. Literally a tune, a pulley, and a tire, and the 85, correct?
And cat deletes.
And cat deletes. So you're gonna see how much faster it is. So that we're doing this for fun, for science, and for views. So please subscribe to my buddy here, Lee. Stang GT500. Really appreciate him. I hit him up. He said I'm there. He dropped plans to hang out with a lot other bigger YouTubers. He said I'm gonna be there. So I really appreciate his commitment to have some fun. And the funny thing is, we both have temp tags, so we'll see what it does. And of course, what we have behind us, stay tuned. Crazy content, a lot of drag racing going on. We have GT500 versus Red Eye, GT500 versus GT500, GT500 versus Demon. It's all here. It's all happening. It's all now. We're so excited for this content. And let's go.
$10,800, 129.
Wasn't bad, actually. I'm happy with that. No, I'm used to it.
Yeah.
Listen, this wasn't bad. It was like 10.8 at 129. That's respectable.
You know, too, so.
Completely stock car, just a tire. You know, I think we can do better.
Yeah, it would do better.
You know, so we'll see what the Red Eye does, and it's not a bad pass. 10.8 at 129 is very respectable. Very happy.
All right, I'm just kidding.
All right, let's see what this guy does.
Let me get him.
y'all, we just raced, the Hulk just raced StangMode, the fastest 2020 GT500 to date on the quarter mile. Car felt good. We'll see what she did. Remember, we are stock with just a Toyo R888R. Full weight, all that good stuff. Yeah, we'll do all of our tricks of the trade when we get home to ACO. Why you always not trying? I'm trying to get out. This guy, I didn't get out the car.
Hey man, let me put my case. Every time you win, it ain't a victory.
Let's get this run back.
What you gonna do?
We're gonna run it back?
Yeah, go ahead, run it back.
Run it back right now. Go. My truck's being the loudest one here. I outsisted these guys. All of them. 6'2". A 300-pound truck. I got new cam and fucking heads on the way. Be here. Well, I have it here. Just 2 weeks is my install date. So. Sure. Fully?
They do that. They're clutch.
Yeah. The tranny hot?
Trans is hot.
Yeah, let it. Yeah, don't.
My trans is really
We're
hot.
consistent. Same time.
It's gotta,
Another
it's
10,
gotta,
7.
it's gotta relax.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this in your car.
Yeah, thank you. The car is getting really hot.
All right.
I gotta let it relax.
I want to see this run though, right
Good
here.
that time.
Yeah, that's what we were hoping he'd do.
Your reaction that time, 0 to 50.
Yep.
Feel good though, man?
Yeah, I think the car is getting a little tired.
Yeah, the car is. Yeah.
I'm gonna let it chill. I think
All
I'm
right.
done.
Let me turn this off.
My man, I appreciate you. Thanks so much for the runs. What'd you do on that one, bro?
Man, we get 10-3 at 143.
I'm on hours there.
Yo, she was moving. She was moving.
Foot down.
What was your 60 on that one?
195.
Yeah. Once we get the 18 we have coming in, we're gonna be good.
And it's not even that. It's just the track's not there.
The track is not there either. Listen, I'm so excited. The fact that we got to race. Now, before you guys say this, obviously isn't a 9.7, and that's not that. Track prep was difficult because we have cars that don't have drag radials. They're not there. These are street tires. So street tires, you know, kind of rip up the track a little bit. But no, we had a great race. Stay tuned for Mamba versus the Red Eye. But you got to see the Hulk take on StangMode. So proud of the Hulk. Hulk smash. Like and subscribe because you guys know it never ends. Peace.